Either side of tuck stitch may be the right side. Here's how it looks from the purl side, and it has a puffy appearance from the knit side. You may select needles with either your fingertips or a comb, such as the one shown. There are all sorts of tuck patterns. I'm selecting every fourth needle, knitting 3 rows, then allowing those needles to knit back from hold. On this Singer, this lever allows them to hold or knit back. On Brothers, it's the NH button. H allows the needles to stay held, N knits them back. So right now we'd turn to N, where I'm moving my lever. Very basic machines may not even have a setting. You might return the needles to work by moving them to upper working position. Tuck stitch tends to be wider than stockinette stitch, and the extra texture it provides creates both visual interest and warmth.